What's up guys, I'm back, and today I'm just going to be doing another video, and I'm going to be doing this more quickly than my other videos because there's a lot of stuff that we have to go over. So I'm just going to play the game. So I added this thing, and I also got rid of most of the text that was right here, but everything else is relatively the same. For camera, we added color filters. So there's a lot of color now. It's more creative. Picture transparency, so you can actually make pictures more transparent. 0 is the default value. So yeah, everything else here is the same. This is pretty self-explanatory. Time, everything else here is the same. This thing I added, and this thing I added. Yeah, so there will now be a notification, and this is also a separate GUI. It's not a separate GUI, but it's a different window. This is the stopwatch, so it's a little bit more advanced. You can now lap it. So yeah. No changes to this one. I believe there's also no changes to this one either. Sound wave. So I think I changed the layout of this. This is just this is the title of the song or audio, and this is the artist. So yeah, and this thing is actually the audio, so you can change the audio from here. I'm not gonna be showing this because I don't have much time to do this. There's a lot of features. I tried filming this entire thing, but it was more than 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna try doing this quick. This thing, so you can just change the playback speed and loop it. That's about it for that. So this is the marketplace. So on this one, you can search up a asset ID. So you can search up a random product. It has to be a number. So yeah, you can also buy the thing if you want to. So here you can just search up a product, and you'll just be able to find it. Most of these are just spam models. You can also purchase it. This is just the username, and this is the title. You can also search up images as well. So yeah. RoTube got some updates. This layout here is changed. I also added this thing. So this is just the name of the video, and this is the creator. You can also loop the video from here. And this audio thing also works for RoTube as well. No changes here in settings. For this thing here, you may have to click 2 or 3 times, but it's basically all the stuff that was here previously. So flashlight, what device you're on, voice chat enabled or not. These just redirect you to the other apps. This just turns off all the GUIs. You can go to the other one from here. So you can search up a player on this one. If nothing actually shows up, then that means the user ID does not exist. So this person does exist. Display name and username. So yeah. And all the home button things we removed. We just made them all into this thing. This battery thing doesn't actually work. It's just a random number, so it's nothing to be worried about. This is the real time, and this one, I just like keeping this here. It fills up the space more, so that's why I have it. This thing, we also got rid of the buttons on the side. We just replaced it with this. So map, you can see the map that or game that you're playing on Roblox on this. We also got rid of the compass one because it actually got implemented here. So whichever way you're looking, the compass will rotate. The map does not rotate with it. You can zoom in and zoom out. So that's it for this new map thing. Teleport, not much changes here other than the layout. Typer, so I actually added a couple of features on this one. You can change the font. So I'm just gonna type in some random things. Yeah, so that's it for that. You can make it left or right or center. You can make it top, bottom, or center. Text size. I already reviewed this in my other video. Text scaled. I already reviewed that stuff in my other videos. Color, so you can change like the text color, I guess. You can also add another page if you want. And you can also change the background color. You can also input RGB values here if you want. So, yeah. You can also delete these if you want. So, that's it for that. Last one that we have. Oh, sorry, we only have 2 left, but doesn't really matter. So, this is the time right now. So, a notification will actually pop up. If you don't have any description, then it will just show this part as empty. But I think it was pretty important. It was better than this thing coming out of the side. So, yeah, I like the notification thing better. So this is the last one that we have, which actually got some changes. So here you can see the groups that you're in. So these are all the groups that I'm in. It tells you the image and then the name and your rank in the group. This thing, I haven't added any functionality for that yet. So these are your friends. You can check what friends you have. This is your personal profile, so how many groups you're in, how much friends are online, how much total friends do you have. I'm not sure why this exists, but you can just use this to return. And yeah, I think I changed this frame thing on the calculator. But you can also go to other apps. And you can also turn off the RoPhone. So I think that's about it for this video. There's more stuff coming in the future, so please just wait for that. I'm working on some projects right now. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys again next time.